How you doing? I'm Trent Sanderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. So, if you do this, your life will change. I know you've heard many step-by-step processes on how to change your life, how to get your life in order, and all this stuff that they got out there that you can look at on YouTube. Motivational speeches, da da da, blah blah blah. Who cares? Listen, I'm gonna tell you right here in like 3-4 minutes how to change your life. Okay, but I'm not gonna tell you how to change your life literally. You just gotta catch what I'm saying, and when this video is over, take it, put it in your pocket, and you go do the rest. Okay, so the first thing that I want to tell you is this: make sure that you're always playing offense instead of defense. Think of life like a football game, right? Okay, for so long, you've probably been playing defense. You know what defense is like, right? You just waiting on, you just trying to figure out who's going to get the ball. You're trying to figure out where the quarterback's going to throw the ball and trying to keep the other team from scoring. And you're just always kind of like waiting on the offense to do what they do before you make a move and do what you do. Okay, scratch all that. Scratch all that. Forget that. Okay? Y'all like that little sound, huh? Forget that. Yeah, so now what you have to do now is you have to start playing offense. Start playing offense. Now you have to start taking control over your life. Let's say defense was your life, right? Now you are offense. Now you have to act as though you're the quarterback. Like when you see defense doing what it does, when you see life does what it do, you have to throw the ball another way. You have to run the ball. You have to fake run it and act like you're gonna really run it, but you're gonna throw it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta really run your own plays. That's what it's all about. Life is all about controlling it. Controlling life, controlling everything that happens into your life. You know what I'm saying? Like, see, so many people don't do that though. So many people, they go with the trade winds of whatever happens, and if it happens, then they, react based on what happens. But you have to become a person that like creates the thing that happened. You see what I'm saying? And I know you probably got a little confused right there. But what I'm saying is you have to just go ahead and just man up, woman up to everything that is not right in your life. After this video, ask yourself all the things that's not right in your life, all the things that's not going right. You have to do like I did. You have to just say, you know what? I'm in this position because I have not worked hard enough. I have not given out my all. I have not did everything that I could do to actually put myself in a better position than I am now. And like, folks, when I did that, when I got sick and tired of being sick and tired, when I got tired of people telling me how I wasn't this, how I wasn't gonna do that, you know what I'm saying? I was just in a relationship like not too long ago, but the memory's still in my mind of like what this person told me. Like I was stupid, I was ugly, I can't do this, I can't do that. So you know what I did? I went and got myself a little makeover. I look different, I look better. Ever since then, I've never looked the same. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the gym now. I'm doing big boy things now. You know what I'm saying? I'm a different person. You know why? Because I got tired of being sick and tired, of people, telling me what I can't accomplish. And I know good and damn well on the inside of my heart, I knew who I was and I knew what I was capable of. And so you know what you got to do? You got to just say, you know what? You got to do this. You got to do this. You got to do this. Ain't no holding back no more. For too long you've played defense. For too long you've sat behind the scenes and just waiting on people to say what they gotta say first, and then you follow them. You do what they tell you to do. You know what I'm saying? You listen to other people demand you to get you to do things for them and stuff. No, none of that no more. None of that. That's over. Them days is gone. It's a new day now. And you really have to take control over your life now by saying to yourself every morning when you wake up, this is my day. I'm going to go and make the best of this day today because this is my life. This is my reality. See, me, I'm just a part of your reality. I'm just in your reality out here on the outside of your eyes telling you that you in control of even me. Because you can give me a thumbs up or you can give me a thumbs down. You can write a comment and tell me how bad I am or how good I am. You can do all the things that you want to do to this video. You can never see this video again by clicking off right now. You got the power. You got the control. It's in your hands. And like I said, that's what I realized, and that's how I got my life in control. I got tired of like not having the things that I want. I got tired of walking in the store seeing things that I want and not being able to buy it. You know what I'm saying? I got tired of calling people, hey, you got some money I can borrow? I got tired of asking people, can I borrow money? I got tired when I didn't have no car. I got tired of walking. You know what I'm saying? I got tired of calling my friends, can I get a ride to work? I got tired of being sick and tired to the point that it was like, yo, I'm done with this. I'm done with this, yo. I'm about to change. I'm about to change my whole life. I'm not about to have no more excuses as to why I don't have the things I have anymore. Because you know what? Don't nobody owe you nothing. Don't nobody owe you nothing. And that's the truth. That's one thing that I realized on my journey. The more older I got, the more I started to realize. And I'm glad my mama raised me like this. I'm glad she, did us like a bird. And you know what the mama birds do to the little birds, right? I think they do something like they kick them out the nest. They kick them out the nest and they see if they could fly. It's just like that movie, what is it? 300? Where the boy had to go out there in the wilderness, prove himself. And then if he make it back home, he was fit to be king. It's the same law, the same concept with life. At some point, you gotta get from under the wing. You gotta get from under the shade, and you gotta go out there in the sun and actually experience the heat. You can't sit back and be comfortable all the time just because the shade is cool. Because you keep sitting up under the shade, you're gonna get fat. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get bit up by mosquitoes. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna be able to get no exercise. You ain't gonna be able to get no tan because you ain't never going out in the sun. You ain't gonna know what's going on over there because you always up under the shade tree. You just don't get to experience a lot of things when you just sit back off in the cut. But when you just are eager to make a big difference in your life, you're just eager to just do something different because you're sick and tired of being sick and tired of being less than the average man and then lesser than them and lesser than that and this and that. You know what? I'm about to make something happen now. I'm about to make something happen, and I don't need nobody to validate it for me. I don't need nobody to stamp no paper or nothing like that. I'm about to go out here, and I'm about to make something happen. I don't need y'all to look or nothing. You don't need to tell nobody what you about to do. You know what I'm saying? But you need to go make it happen. Make it happen. That's what I did. Like for so long, you know what I'm saying? I was always like, I'm gonna do this, that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna create this. I'm gonna do that. And everybody was looking like, You know how people do, like, yeah, whatever. You know why? Because they want to see action. You know what I'm saying? People want to see you actually got that car before you keep talking. Talking about you gonna get the car or whatever. They want to see you have the car. You know what I'm saying? That's how people are. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to hear you say what you gonna do. You ain't doing it. You just like all of us around here. Yeah. Failure. Yeah, it's failure. Yeah. They always talk about what they want, what they gonna do. They ain't gonna never do it, dog. they all in the wind. Poor little thing. Oh, here she come. Hey. Yeah, sit down right here beside me. That's my baby. I'm telling you, people will smile in your face and talk about you behind your back. I'm telling you. So you ain't really got nothing to prove to nobody, because really ain't nobody there for you. Everybody there for themselves. I'm trying to listen. I know this for a fact, man. Everybody out for themselves nowadays. Okay? Except for me, I'm for you. That's why I'm here right now making this video, telling you the things that I learned on my journey before I became successful. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you everything that I seen on my journey. And so now what you got to do, like I said at the beginning of the video, you got to take this, put it in your pocket, and take it to the bank. Now you have to stop having excuses. Now you have to take responsibility for everything that's going on in your life, because at the end of the day, you only got you. You got to start playing offense now. Enough playing defense, being a linebacker, waiting on to see who running the ball. Now it's your time to be the quarterback, call the plays, call the shots, run the ball. Now it's your time to take over your life. Now it's your time to speak up and let your voice be heard. So leave a nice comment below and tell me what you think, folks. If this video resonated with you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. But if you like this video, make sure you subscribe over here in the bottom right-hand corner. I want to see you in the next video, and I want to get to know you personally. All right, peace, y'all.